This presentation is designed to provide an overview of portable power sanders. The primary focus will be on pneumatic dual-action sanders, as they are the most commonly used sander by professional woodworkers. DA sanders cut very fast, finish well, and are both lightweight and versatile tools. There are a wide variety of portable power sanders on the market. From electric to pneumatic, portable power sanders are capable of performing multiple tasks. Electric sanders dominate the consumer market. They are not designed to be used for long periods and will quickly heat up. Pneumatic sanders are more expensive to operate and require large volumes of air. They are intended to be used for hours on end and will provide excellent results, assuming that they are properly maintained. Belt-driven sanders are primarily used for leveling material and aggressive stock removal. They leave prominent linear scratches, even when equipped with fine abrasives, and are therefore not typically used for finish sanding. Small belt sanders can be used to sand intricate contours and reach tight spaces. Orbital pad sanders are designed for finish sanding. The pad rotates in a single circular motion. They provide a more aggressive cut rate, but also leave more visible scratch pattern. They accept standard sheet abrasives, typically 1/4 or 1/2 sheet. Inline pad sanders also accept sheet abrasives and are often used to sand just prior to applying finish or between coats of finish. Pads may be profiled to sand contours. Dual action or random orbit sanders have an action that minimizes the scratch size by stretching the rotary marks into long loops. Standard DA sanders have a 3/8 inch, 3/16 inch, or 3/32 inch diameter orbit pattern. Larger orbits cut faster, but leave more prominent scratch patterns. Smaller orbits are preferred for sanding finishes. Regardless of the type of sander, the backing pad must be kept smooth and clean. Any imperfections or residue on the surface of the pad will telegraph through the disc and affect the scratch pattern. Backing pads are very important to the overall performance of the sander and influence disc life, finish, and operator comfort. Pads are available in different profiles and densities for various applications. Pads should be replaced when they show signs of wear. There are two styles of backer pads for DA sanders: pressure-sensitive adhesive, known as PSA, and hook and loop. Discs for the latter are easily removed and reused, and have the added benefit of not leaving residue. If you are using PSA discs, they should be removed after use. Any residue can be cleaned with a small amount of mineral spirits. Store sanders in a position or place where the pads will not be damaged. Hook and loop pads should be blown out with compressed air if their pads become filled with dust. Dual-action sanders are designed to run at between 10 to 12,000 RPM. Most sanders have a flow regulator to adjust the speed. For most applications, the flow should be set to its highest setting. A sander which is spinning too slow will leave more discernible swirl marks. Make sure your compressor is capable of supplying enough air. Adequate air pressure to the sander is a must. To measure air pressure correctly, an air pressure gauge can be used in line with the tool so that the reading can be taken with the tool running. The minimum pressure for most orbital sanders is 90 psi with the tool running. Less pressure than this can cause swirl marks. The length and type of supply lines and couplers used all affect the amount of air getting to the sander. In order to perform properly, DA sanders must be lubricated regularly. The best solution is an inline filter regulator lubricator, which helps ensure a proper supply of clean air with the right amount of lubrication. If your shop is not equipped with an inline system, then add a couple of drops of oil before use. In a production setting, this might be done twice per day. Before using the sander, hold it over a waste container and run the sander at full speed for several seconds. This will allow any excess oil to spin out, helping to avoid contaminating your work. Also take the time to inspect the muffler and exhaust system. It will get clogged if not maintained, which can reduce the performance of the sander dramatically. Different sanders have different exhaust designs. The bronze filter, if equipped, should be replaced approximately every 6 months for production tools. The soft, non-woven filter should be replaced every month. Establishing a regular maintenance program for your sanders will extend their useful service life. Now that your sander has been properly set up and inspected, you are ready to sand. The next video in this series will cover some common tips and techniques for sanding.